Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to embed video on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here, as you can see, in the top left corner, we have the three lines where you can check out the home, issues, pull requests, projects, etc. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, we have the stat status, your profile, your repositories, etc. etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go in and embed video on GitHub. So embedding video in a GitHub readme.md file can be done in a few different ways. And here are the common methods. You can embed a YouTube video. So you can embed a YouTube video by using a thumbnail image that links to the video. Find the YouTube video ID, add the following markdown to your readme.md. Then the second thing that you can do is embedding a video directly. You can also embed a video directly into your GitHub repository in the file size with the GitHub limits. Upload the video to your repository, add the following markdown to your readme.md. That's basically how you can do it in just those two situations. Of course, you can go choose how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, that will be everything for this video. Hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.